Kani kadiga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan loom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka Sorkar Jilla kala pencet au Chief Secretary ke Jilla UMS Rau ba unwa caka nakabenta ki Nongdie Madan ki bala lek pensengau syaka Sorkar Jilla bahkan ailat lemru yaki bakit sedang no yaka ki kamai hadian bak Sorkar kala ajing bed ban pleno yaki katu kat ni dukan hayau do ban ha kendailan usembut menteri rang bak Jilla uba Prestone tensong ha ka jing keren bak Batisi TV ulai tho ba ka jing bompat ailat jok Sorkar yaki Nongdie Madan ban sedang no yaka ki kamai kadeh lor kanongrem ba ki pen khapnya yaki surok bat ki lenti ki singkien kham tam ha bak Sorkar kala dep pencari ru daka kendon kapa Bthah ikipat ba bagi deban penye jingai iwe na iwe pan ringkat bat kiwe ki kendon.
In fact, I understand their intention is to again allow them to start their small businesses on the roadside. But let me just tell you to be very frank, I think that is very, very difficult. Okay, because we add up congestion. So right now, I think social distance is very important. Okay, safety is more important than anything else. Then number two, now shops are being opened. Even in the shops, why we have to do it alternately? Why we have to do it on rotational basis? You understand that we wanted to reduce the congestion as much as possible. So therefore, if we allow maybe 100 or 200 street hawkers, then we will have problem because ultimately they have to be there on the roadside. So as I said to you, safety is more important than anything else. And number two, of course, I've asked the Chief Secretary, and then now they're working out with Urban Affairs Department to identify a place. Wherever the place is there, at least temporarily. So now, as I said to you right now, they are working out. Where are the places where we can, allow them to at least carry out their daily small businesses. We feel pity for them. Why not? We do feel pity from the government side. But unless we have the identified places, still we can't say anything. That's what I'm telling you. We have already entrusted Chief Secretary. Chief Secretary is now on a job along with Urban Affairs Department as well as with the CEO of Municipal. See, I can't say right now, but we have already entrusted to the department, okay, under the leadership of Chief Secretary. Let them come out with the plan. I don't know. That still I can't say anything, but we have already told. Well, we need to attend this, this problem of our street hawkers also. We understand the problem, the livelihood. It really affected so much. So I have already asked our Chief Secretary along with the Urban Affairs Department and the CEO of the Municipal Board to do the needful and then come back to the government. We don't have the details. I think, in fact, because see, these details will only come up when the process is on. Because right now the process is just started. So the process is just started. Then I am sure, ultimately, even district administration has to be also involved. So maybe by that time we'll be able to know exactly what is the actual numbers of the street hawkers. Because as of now, and quite a number of localities, so they came up very strongly. They said we will not allow, like in Maukar side or maybe in Indok side. If we allow, then all along the footpath or all along the road, then what will happen to the commuters? You get away. So see, we need to adjust accordingly. Where, as I said to you, safety is more important for the government right now, for the people right now, and we wanted to reduce as much as possible the congestion, as I said to you. Otherwise, back to square one. Yes, during normal time we don't have much problem, but now we are facing with abnormalcy where everybody are fighting for it. The entire nation are fighting, even the whole world are fighting for it.